Good people, Kaizer Chiefs fans bafethu ziyenzeka kwi-Kaizer Chiefs njengamanje ziyenzeka lapha eNaturena. Many news are coming in. Ziyenzeka bafethu. I have updates on the saga of Lilepo, updates on uThabo Cele, updates on Ashley Dupreez and also Abopiri, updates on Fiacre Ntware. Hey, kuningi bafethu, kuningi. But I'm sure we can unpack everything together on your favorite YouTube channel here on Amakosi Stand Podcast. Let's just jump straight into the video together. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakosi Stand Podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa. I am your host Manqoba Nqobo, all the way from eGreater. Namhlanje bafethu nginiphathele zona zishisa and there are more to come. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure ukuthi uyasubscribe ngoba uzophuthelwa. I have been telling you the same thing from the window lingakavuli. Kusavaliwe iPSL, iwindow lingakavuli. Kusanda kuphela ama games ala season. I've been telling you, subscribe to the channel because there are plenty of news to come. But they've come and others have gone. I have so many news to report, guys. So I'm excited. Let's just jump straight into it. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you comment down below. Like the video, by the way. Remember, we reported on the issue of Cele. That Cele is on... might leave Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, Buffett, it's looking likely that Thabo Cele might leave Kaizer Chiefs. Many trusted sources have reported ukuthi Fernando de Cruz has directly told Thabo Cele ukuthi he's not part of his new season plan. So is looking unlikely. So Kaizer Chiefs and Thabo Cele are working on terminating on his contract. If that ends up or not happening, Thabo Cele is happy to sit at Kaizer Chiefs and run his contract. If I'm not mistaken, he has 2 years left. I'm not sure. I think he has 2 years left. If I'm lying, then it's 1 year left for Thabo Cele at Kaizer Chiefs. So the thing is, Kaizer Chiefs are trying to negotiate with Thabo Cele how the situation will go. If Kaizer Chiefs can reach an agreement with Thabo Cele can be a free agent and he can join any club he wants. So if Kaizer Chiefs and Thabo Cele are not reaching any agreement on his contract termination, that means Thabo Cele will stay and run off his contract as a Kaizer Chiefs player. So it's happening, guys. I told you maningi ama-players uhamba and maningi ama-player azofika with-Kaizer Chiefs this season as we are rebuilding with a new coach, as we always do every season. So Thabo Cele might be one of those players who might leave Kaizer Chiefs. It hasn't been confirmed yet. Don't come on me kuma comment and say ngithe Thabo Cele is leaving Kaizer Chiefs. No, they are still discussing his contract termination. Is he supposed to stay at Kaizer Chiefs and run off his contract, or just terminate the contract and then he becomes a free agent? So bafethu ziningi ziyenzeka. Players are leaving Kaizer Chiefs unexpectedly, because that's what I was saying. Kaizer Chiefs shouldn't make decisions without the coach Fernando de Cruz arriving, because my figure, he will do what he's doing now. Cabanga, if he can say, I don't have plans for Dylan Solomons, I don't have plans for Bruce Vuma. What will they do? Because they've already offered them a contract extension. Bazokwenza njani? So that's why I was criticizing this thing of Kaizer Chiefs management making rash decisions or on giving players a contract extension. But I'm not there. I'm just summarizing what I said on my previous videos. Talking about players who might leave Kaizer Chiefs, Ashley Dupreez might leave Kaizer Chiefs and return to Stellenbosch. Yes, reportedly, Stellenbosch are moving faster and are edging close to agree at terms with Ashley Dupreez to return back to Stellenbosch. And this is what's there is a surprising part, ne? In this deal, they must include Ulangelihle Phili as a swap deal because Kaizer Chiefs have held talks with Stellenbosch over the signing of Ulangelihle Phili, and Stellenbosch rejected that offer. But Kaizer Chiefs with Stellenbosch, they are in talks right now with a potential swap deal of Ashley Dupreez for Ulangelihle Phili. Uh, if you remember well, Ulangelihle Phili was going for around 12 million. So if we can include Ashley Dupreez there, maybe we can even get them for maybe 7 million. It will depend on terms of the contract that they are negotiating. But Ashley Dupreez will be happy to move back to his old club. I think he wants to get close to his family, and Langelihle Phili will also love to join Kaizer Chiefs as our new left winger. Uh, what do you think? What's your takes on this Langelihle Phili and Ashley Dupreez swipe deal? Would you swipe with Ashley Dupreez for Langelihle Phili, or you would prefer Ashley Dupreez to stay at the club and don't and you won't get Langelihle Phili? What is your take? You can comment down below and tell me what ucabangani about the swipe deal of Ulangelihle Phili and Ashley Dupreez. Mina, for me personally, I think we love Ashley Dupreez, but I think his time at Kaizer Chiefs didn't really go well. So I think I might go for Ulangelihle Phili coming to Kaizer Chiefs, and Ashley Dupreez might go to Stellenbosch, revive his career. Maybe he can get somewhere better. But mina personally, I would go for Ulangelihle Phili. But first, that's not all. That's not all. Do you remember me updating you about Fiacre Ntwari potentially leaving Kaizer Chiefs on loan? Yes, Kaizer Chiefs have reached an agreement with a newly promoted club, Kruger United FC. It's a loan deal for Fiacre Ntwari. He will be joining a Kruger United FC for the rest of this season until until the season ends. So many movement lapha kwi-Kaizer Chiefs. As you know ukuthi we have many goalkeepers, so Kaizer Chiefs are trying to reduce some goalkeepers because there are many goalkeepers. Uh, Hey, it seems like there are more goalkeepers on the transfer market this season because I'm not talking about Orlando Pirates, but because they are your Melo Sipseleze. But I think Amazulu, as they really want a goalkeeper. So I think he will go there, but I don't want to include Orlando Pirates stories here. But I think that's all I had for you today, Bafethu. Tell me on the comments ukuthi, what do you think about the swipe deal of Ulangelihle Phili for Ashley Dupreez? Would you prefer Dupreez over Ulangelihle Phili, or would you take Ulangelihle Phili to come to be our new left back? Because Kaizer Chiefs have been wanting a left back since for the next season. Make sure you comment down below. Thank you for watching the video. See you on another one. Danko.